As far as I know, lights are the most dangerous thing on a video or film set. This is the one that can cost you your life. So, lights are often mounted in a grid on the roof, as you can see here. This scoop light is double hooked. It has a C-clamp connecting it to the roof grid system, and it also has a metal coil coiled around it as well. That way, if one of those two safety mechanisms breaks, the other one will catch the light. A big heavy Fresnel light way up in a ceiling way over your head can fall on your head and kill you if it's not double secured. If your job is to be the light designer and you do not double secure a light, you can be liable for whatever happens underneath you. Next, lights can be extremely hot, so that light can burn you. Some lights can melt your skin, and if you touch those lights, you will know it. You will suffer tremendously. I already talked about the fact that lights can fall. Some of these hot lights, the bulbs in them can actually explode. And if you see a grid, a metal mesh inside of a light, don't take that mesh out. It's there to protect you in case the bulb explodes. If you don't want your bulbs to explode, don't touch them with your fingers. Don't ever touch a bulb. I think I've got that in here as a bullet. I'm not sure that I do. So if you touch a bulb when it's off, of course, so it's not so hot, with the fingers, the oil from your fingers gets on the bulb, and that can cause the bulb to heat up and explode. Bad stuff. Hanging lights must be double secured. I covered that. So a little bit more, there's an example of that mesh screen that you can't touch, and it's there to protect you in case the bulb explodes. Shield your eyes before turning on a light. If you're about to strike the lights on a set, give a heads up. Lights are coming on. Don't turn on a light right in front of some anchor's face without warning them that this is about to come on. They will be very upset with you if you do. Don't move lights when they're hot. So if a light has had the chance to really get hot and then you realize you need to move it somewhere else, you must turn it off, wait for it to cool down. About 30 seconds should be fine. Then you can move the fixture, the tripod with the light to the new position and turn it back on again. If you carry around a bulb while it's hot, that is going to increase the risks of it exploding and molten glass flying around the room. Not good. Here's the spot where I have don't touch the bulbs with your bare hands, and always keep that metal cage in place to protect you in case of emergency.